Hello viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel 3D Parametric Solid Model Drawings. Today we will create an assembly file of pipe wrench in Solidworks. In this video, you will learn the full modeling process of this model and its components. Okay, alright. We have used 9 part files and 1 assembly to make this assembly. Some pics I am showing you at the beginning of this video. If you want to get the file of this model, I have given the link address in the description of my video. By visiting that link, you can get it easily. Okay, that's it. So let us start the tutorial. First of all, we are going to create a base handle of my model like this. Okay, alright. Now we will create a new part file from here in Solidworks. Click OK. Now we will go to the Edit Documents tab. Set the decimal value up to 5 places. Now see here, my file has already been set as an inch file. Click OK. Now we will select the top plane and then select the sketch option from here to start the new sketch. Okay, that's it. Now we will create a horizontal line like this, and its length will keep 0.6885 inches. Now we will activate the Add Relation command from the design window. Fix the midpoint relation between the midpoint of the line and center part origin. Now we will activate the Copy Entities command from the Design Sketch panel. And select the base point from here and drag the line in an upward direction. Okay. And fix the dimension 5.5 inches between these two lines. Set the dimension of this line 0.688 inches. Now we will add the vertical relation between these two midpoints of the lines like this. Now we will create an arc between upper and lower lines for connecting it. And its radius will keep 24.31678 inches. Now we will create another arc over the opposite side. Okay. Select this one and apply equal relation between these two arcs. Okay, alright. Now we will convert this line into construction geometry. Now draw a line from here and its length will keep 3.875 inches. Now draw some more lines on here, something like this with the given dimensions. Now we will fix the angular dimension between these two lines. It will keep 85.24 degrees. Now create another vertical line from this endpoint of the line to close the sketch profile. Now my sketch is fully defined on here. Okay, that's it. Zoom all the sketch from here. Okay, finish the sketch. Now you can see that the base of the sketch of the handle of my pipe wrench model has been completed here in the design window. Now we will activate the extruded boss base command from here. First of all, we will select the sketch profile. Okay, alright. Now you can see that the extruded boss base preview is visible here in the design window. Choose the mid plane option and set the depth value 0.469 inches. Click OK to execute the command. Now we will change the color of the model from here. Okay, and save the file with the name part1 in pipe wrench folder. It looks great. Now we will create a new sketch over the top plane. And activate the intersection curve command. Take the project of this feature. Okay, alright. Now see. Now activate the section view from here by selecting the top plane. And convert entire projected lines into construction geometry. Now create a line parallel to this projected line. And its length will keep 1.30089 inches. Now create two more lines, something like this in the design window. Fix the height of this line 0.30189 inches. Now we will erase the extra lines by using the trim command. Rotate the model in isometric view and deactivate the section view. Okay, finish the sketch. And now we will extrude this sketch profile 0.7188 inches both sides from the top plane. Okay, alright, click save. Now we will create a new sketch over this face of the feature. And take the project of this edge by using the convert entities command. Convert this line into construction geometry. Choose the top view. Okay. Now we will create an aligned line over the construction line like this. And its length will keep 0.063 inches. Create two more lines, something like this, to close the sketch profile. Fix the align dimension 0.125 inches over this line. And set another dimension between these two endpoints on here. It will keep 0.17589 inches to fully define the sketch. Okay, exit from the sketching environment. Now activate the Extruded Cut command and select the sketch. Then next we will select the through all option from here. Click OK. Now see the first teeth has been created on here. Now we will activate the linear pattern tool from here. Okay, that's it. In the direction 1 section, we will select the top edge. Okay. And then next, select the cut extrude feature in the graphics window. Now you can see the pattern preview is visible here. Okay. And set the pattern spacing value 0.125 inches. Okay, the number of instances of the cut feature value should be 8 and click OK. Now see, all the teeth are created over this face. Okay, that's it. It is looking very fine. Now rotate the model in this position. Now we will create a new sketch over the top face of the model and take the project of this face. Convert the entire sketches into construction geometry. Now draw a horizontal line on here and fix the dimension between on here. It will keep 0.75 inches. Now create another line over the upper side like this. And fix the parallel relation between these two lines. Now we will fix the collinear relation between these two lines. Okay, now see. Now we will draw two vertical lines over the both sides of the feature like this. And trim the extra lines on here. Okay, finish the sketch. Now we will cut this sketch profile by using Extruded Cut command. Fix the cut depth value will keep 0.03125 inches. Okay, alright. Now we will create a sketch over this face and take the project of this face, convert the entire sketches into construction geometry. Now we will draw a vertical line on here. And activate the offset entities command from here. Take the offset 0.1 inches inside the direction of this vertical line. Okay, that's it. Select this line and apply the dimension between these two lines. It will keep 0.204 inches. Now we will create another dimension on here. It will keep 0.281 inches. And draw two more lines over the end points of the line on here to close the sketch profile. Okay, finish the sketch. Now we will cut this sketch profile on here. Okay, alright. Now we will create another new sketch over the top face of the model. And take the offset of this edge. Fix the offset distance value 0.125 inches. Click OK. Take the offset of this arc and it will also fix the offset distance value 0.125 inches. Now we take another offset of the opposite side arc. Okay, alright. Now we will extend this line here, okay, and trim the unwanted lines like this. Okay, that's it. Finish the sketch. And cut this sketch profile 0.0785 inches. Okay, alright. Now see here, my slots are successfully created over my pipe wrench handle, and click save. Now we will create a new sketch over this face. And take the project of this model. Now draw a line like this. And we will convert these three sketch geometries into construction geometry. Okay, finish the sketch. Now we will select the two sketch regions on here and set the depth value 0.0149 inches and click OK. Now we will activate the mirror command and select the top plane in the design window, which will keep as a mirror plane. And then next we will select the 3 extruded cut feature from the design window, which will keep as a feature to mirror. Okay, alright. Click OK to execute the command. Now we will rotate the model to check the result. Okay, alright. Now we will apply the fillets over the 8 internal corner edges on here. The fillet radius will keep 0.125 inches. Now we will create a circle over this face and its diameter value will keep 0.1875 inches. Fix the dimension between the center point of the circle and this edge 0.25 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. Now we will activate the Extruded Cut command and select the circle. Choose through all option and click OK. Now see the result, my hole is created on here. In the same manner, we will create a small hole like this over the side face of the pipe wrench handle. the whole depth value will keep 0.125 inches. Now we'll create another fillet over the front and rear side curved edges on here. Now see, it looks great. Now we will create a sketch over this internal surface and take the project of this face, create a center line over these points, create another line on here, its length will keep 2 inches. And activate the text tool from here. Write the text over this line, okay? That's it. Now we will change some settings of the text on here so that my text properly will be placed over this line. Okay, that's it. Now we will apply the horizontal relation between these two midpoints of the line. Now fix the dimension between these two lines. It will keep 0.12 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. Now choose custom view name 1. Okay. Now we will activate the wrap tool from here. First of all, we will select this construction line, okay? Then fix the deboss depth value 0.03125 inches. And select this face of the model which you want to emboss the text and click OK. Now see here, my text is properly engraved over my pipe wrench handle. It is looking very fine. It's amazing. And now we will change the color of this feature like this. Select a red color on here and click OK. Now see, it looks great. Now we will apply the fillets over these two edges. Its radius will keep 0.125 inches and click OK. Now rotate the model over the opposite side and start the sketch over this face. Draw a circle and set the diameter 0.063 inches. Okay, that's it. Now we will apply the dimension between this edge and the center point. It will keep 2.556 inches. And apply another dimension on here. Okay. It will keep 0.235 inches. Okay. Now my sketch is fully defined. So we will finish the sketch. Now we will activate the Extrude Cut command. Select the circle. Set the depth value 0.125 inches. Click OK. Now see. Rotate the model in this position. Click save. Now see here, my pipe wrench handle has been completed here, so we will close this file. Okay, alright. Now we will start the new part file from here. Click OK. Go to the Edit Documents tab and change the decimal value up to 5 places. Click OK. Choose Sketch tab and activate the Sketch tool. Select the top plane to start the new sketch. Now we will activate the Line tool and create a line like this. Its length will keep 2.79 inches. Now we will activate the Add Relation tool from here. Select this line and center part origin and apply midpoint relation between them. Now see. Now we will create another line from here. Its length will keep 1.79 inches. Now we will apply these two. Now we will fix the dimension between these two lines. It will keep 2 inches. Okay. Now select these two endpoints of the line and fix the vertical relation between them. Now see. Now we will draw a line from this point. Its length value will keep 0.65625 inches. Okay. Now create another line from here. Okay. And set the dimension of this line like this. Now we will draw an arc between these two endpoints of the line. Okay. Set the radius of this arc 1.138 inches. Okay, alright. Now create another arc over the opposite side of the sketch profile. Its radius will keep 2.17 inches. Okay. Now we will set the position of the dimension like this so that the dimension will be visible properly from here. Okay. Finish the sketch. Now see, my base sketch profile has been created here in the design window. Now we will activate the extruded boss base command. Select the sketch. Okay. Now see, choose mid plane option. Okay. And set the depth value 0.8125 inches. Okay. Now we will activate the fillet command. Select this edge. Okay. Select this edge. Okay. And set the fillet radius 0.25 inches. Okay. That's it. Now my model is looking great. Now we will change the color of this part. Choose the custom color from here. Okay, that's it. And save the part file with the name part 2. Click save. Now see, my part is looking very bright. Now we will activate the Extruded Cut command and select this face to start the new sketch. Now choose top view from the view cube, okay, and create a rectangle from here like this. Its height value will keep 0.75 inches and width will keep 1.34 inches. Okay, that's it. Now we will activate the dimension tool from the design window. Select this line and this edge and fix the dimension. Will keep 1.5 inches. Alright. Now select this line and this top edge and its dimension will also keep 0.75 inches. Okay, now my rectangle is fully defined, so we will finish the sketch. Now see, the Extruded Cut preview is visible here in the design window. Choose through all option and click OK to execute the command. Now see, my slot is cut over this part. Now we will select the front face of this part to start the new sketch. Okay, choose front view from here. Now we draw a rectangle like this. Now we will create another rectangle from here. Okay. Now we will fix the collinear relation between these two lines of the rectangle. Okay, that's it. Now clear the selection from here. Now we will fix another collinear relation between these two lines of the rectangle. Okay. Now we will fix the height of the rectangle. It will keep 0.5 inches. Select this line and this edge and apply the dimension 0.15625 inches. Okay, now see. Now we will apply another dimension between these two lines. It will keep 0.15829 inches. Now we will fix the dimension between both the lines of the rectangle. It will also keep 0.15625 inches. Okay, alright. Apply the width of the rectangle. It will keep 1.14063 inches. Now we will fix the width of the first rectangle. It will keep 1.18754 inches. Okay, now my two rectangles are fully defined on here. Okay, finish the sketch. Choose the isometric view from here. Okay. Now activate the Extruded Cut command. Select these two sketch regions like this. Choose through all option from here and click OK. Now see the result. My part is looking great. Save the part file. Now we will choose the back view on here. And start the new sketch over this face. and take the project of the entire model by activating the intersection curve command. Convert the entire sketches into construction geometry. Okay, alright. Now we will increase this slot on here. Now we will draw a 3-point corner rectangle from here. Now we will apply the dimension over to fix it. Okay, finish the sketch and activate the Extruded Cut command. Select this sketch profile and choose the up to surface option on here. Now we will select this internal face of the model. Click OK. Now see, okay, alright. Now we will activate the plane command and create a new plane at an offset distance value 0.25 inches from the front face of the model. Now we will create a new sketch over the back face of the model. And take the project of this face. Now draw a rectangle like this. Finish the sketch and activate the Extruded Cut command once again. Select this sketch profile and choose the up to surface option on here. Now we will select this plane to remove the internal wall of the model and click OK. Now see the result. Hide the visibility of the work plane. Now see, it looks great. Now rotate the model in this position. Now we will create a hole over this face. The hole diameter will keep 0.1875 inches. And fix the dimension on here, it will keep 0.25 inches. Okay, that's it. Now my second part file is completed on here. So we will save and close the file. Now we will create the third part file on here. select the right plane, sketch. Now draw a circle from the part origin, and its diameter will keep 0.937 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. And now we will activate the extruded boss base command. Fix the depth value 3.938 inches and click OK. Now we will change the part color from here. And save the part with the name part 3. Okay, it looks very bright. Now we will select the front plane to start the new sketch and take the project of the entire model. Convert all the sketches into construction geometry. Okay, alright. Now we will activate the section view from here by selecting the front plane. And create a vertical construction line like this. Fix the dimension between these two lines 0.25 inches. And now we will open BSP thread profile par file from here. Now we will choose the edit sketch option from here. Okay. Now we will change the pitch value of this thread profile. It will keep as 0.205 inches. Okay, that's it. Copy the BSP thread sketch profile like this. And paste into my previous par file. Okay, that's it. Now we will rotate the sketch 180 degrees from this endpoint. And fix the sketch profile over the end point of the projected sketch like this. Okay, alright. Now we will fix the drive-in dimension between this endpoint of the sketch profile and construction line. Finish the sketch. Choose the isometric view. Now we will select the front face of the model and create a new sketch. Okay, now select this circular edge and take the project of this edge. Okay, finish the sketch. And now we will activate the helix and spiral tool from here. Okay, first of all we will select this projected circle. Okay, now see the result. My helical curve preview is visible here in the design window. And now we will set the height and pitch option in the defined by dialog box. Okay, fix the pitch value. It will keep 0.205 plus 0.001 inches. Okay, that's it. And fix the height of the thread profile. It will keep 4 inches. Fix the start angle value 90 degrees and click OK. Now see the result. My helical curve has been properly placed over my cylindrical face of this part. Now we will activate the equation tool from here. In the equation section, select this helical curve feature. Okay, and choose the 4-inch dimension in the design area. Okay, next we will select the sketch 2. Okay, now we will set the equation of this thread profile like this. Click OK. Now see, my equation has been set over this thread profile. Now we will activate the set cut command from here. Okay. First of all, we will select the BSP thread sketch profile from here, which will keep as a profile, and then next select the helical curve from here, which will keep as a path. Okay, that's it. Now you can see here in the design window, my set cut feature preview is visible, and click OK. Now see the result. My realistic thread has been successfully created over this cylindrical face of the model. Okay, alright, it looks great. Now we will activate the section view from here to check the result. Now we will activate the Extruded Cut command, okay, and select the front face of the model to start the new sketch. Now we will select the left view from here, okay. Now we will create a vertical construction line over the part origin, okay. Now we will create a horizontal construction line over the part origin. Now we will draw a rectangle on here like this. And activate the add relation tool from here. Select the midpoint of this rectangle line and select the center line, okay, and fix the coincident relation between these 2 points. Now we will fix the dimension between these 2 lines. It will keep 0.25 inches, and fix the width of the rectangle. It will keep 0.29157 inches. Now fix the height of the rectangle. It will keep 1.05063 inches. Okay, that's it. Finish the sketch. Now you can see here my cut extrude feature preview is visible here in the design window. Okay, rotate the model in this position. Now choose through all option from here and click OK. Now see. Now we will create a mirror of this cut extruded feature by selecting the front plane with the help of mirror command. Click OK. Now see the result. Save the part file. Now we will create a new sketch over this face of the model and choose the front view. Now we draw a rectangle on here and fix the height and width of the rectangle. It will keep 0.3744 by 3.5 inches. Okay, alright. Now we will fix the horizontal relation over this rectangle like this. And set the dimension on here. It will keep 0.188 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. Now we will create a slot by selecting this rectangle, and its depth value will keep 0.031 inches. Click OK to execute the cut extrude command. Now we will create a mirror of this cut feature over the opposite side of the model. Now we will create a new work plane at an offset distance value 0.3725 inches from the front face of the model like this. And start the sketch over this plane. Now rotate the model in this position. Now we will create a rectangle in the design window. And we will fix the vertical relation between the midpoint of the line and center part origin. Fix the tangent relation between this line and this arc. Okay, that's it. Now we will fix the dimension 1.8905 inches between this center point and this rectangle line. Set the width of the rectangle, it will keep 0.719 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. Now we will extrude this sketch region 0.313 inches on here. Now select the front plane, sketch, okay. And take the project of this face. Now we will take another project of the base body like this. And activate the section view from here. Convert the entire sketches into construction geometry. Now draw a line. Its length will keep 1.188 inches. And we will draw a point on here with the given dimensions. Draw an arc between these 2 points. Its radius will keep 0.249 inches. Now draw another arc on here and its radius will keep 2.552 inches. Now we will create 3 more lines on here to complete the sketch. Okay, finish the sketch. Now we will activate the extruded surface command from here and select the open sketch like this. Extrude this sketch 0.375 inches both sides from the center plane. Okay, now see here my surface extrude feature is created on here by using this tool. Now we will change the transparency of this surface feature. Now we will activate the 3D sketch command from here. And take the project of this surface edge. Convert this projected edge into construction geometry. And now we will activate the 3D line tool from the design window. Now rotate the model in this position and draw a 3D vertical line like this. Fix the parallel relation between these 2 lines. Its length will keep 0.3125 inches. Apply the coincident relation between the midpoints of these 2 lines. Okay, finish the sketch. Now we will create a new sketch over the top face of this extruded feature. Now draw a horizontal line and its length will keep 0.188 inches. Now we fix the vertical relation between the midpoint of the line and center point. Now select this one and fix the collinear relation between them. Okay, finish the sketch. Now rotate the model in isometric view. Now we will activate the plane command. Okay. Rotate the model from here and select this point and this point of the line and this point. Okay, now you can see here 3-point work plane has been created. In the same manner, we will create another work plane over the opposite side of the model. Okay, that's it. Now see the result. Close the visibility of the back plane. Now we start the new sketch over this plane. And take the project of these selected surfaces like this. Now convert this line into construction geometry. Now we will draw a vertical line on here. Okay, finish the sketch. In the same way, we will create another sketch profile as the same over the back plane. Okay, alright. Now close the visibility of this surface and open the visibility of the previous sketch. Now we will activate the Lofted boss base command from here. Okay, in the Loft dialog box, first of all we will select the two sketch profiles. It will keep as a profiles. Okay, that's it. Now you can see that the Lofted boss base feature preview is visible here in the design window, and click OK to finish the command. My Lofted boss base feature has been created here. Okay, it looks great. The most difficult features can be created easily with the help of this tool. This tool is very beneficial for making these types of features. Okay, alright. Now we will create a new sketch over this face and choose the front view. And take the project of this face like this. Now we will create the same teeth in the following way over this face that we had done previously, my pipe wrench handle. And afterwards we will create the pattern of the one tooth with the help of rectangular pattern tool. Okay, that's it. Now we will save the par file. Now we will create the fillet over these two edges of the model like this. Close the par file. Now we will create another new par file from here. Okay, now select the right plane to start the new sketch. Now we will create a circle from the center point, and its diameter will keep 0.188 inches. Now we will create another circle from the center point, and its diameter will keep 0.689 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. Now we will activate the extruded boss base command. Now we will select the two circles, okay, alright, and fix the depth value will keep 5/8 inches. Choose the mid-plane option and click OK. Now change the part color from here. Save the part, name it as part 4. Now choose the front plane sketch. And take the project of the entire model by activating the intersection curve command. Convert the entire sketches into construction geometry. Now we draw the center construction line over the part origin. And now we will open the BSP thread profile file. Okay, now we will choose the edit sketch option from here and change the pitch value of this thread profile. It will keep as a 0.205 inches. Now see the result. You saw that all the sketch geometries are automatically increased because we have placed all the dimensions in equation form. Okay, that's it. Copy the BSP thread sketch profile like this. And paste into my previous part file. Now we will fix this sketch profile over the end point of the projected sketch line like this. Okay, alright. Finish the sketch. Deactivate the section view from here and choose the isometric view. Now we will activate the Helix Oblique Spiral command from here. First of all, we will select this face on which to sketch a circle to define the helix cross section. Next, we will take the project of this internal circular edge. Okay, alright, finish the sketch. Now see the helical curve preview is visible here in the design window. Set the height and pitch option under the defined by area. Fix the height value, it will keep 5/8 inches and select the reverse direction button from here. Set the pitch value, it will keep 0.205 plus 0.001 inches. Then fix the start angle value 90 degrees. And click OK. Now see the result. Now we will activate the swept cut command from here. Okay, first of all we will select the thread profile from here, which will keep as a profile, and then next select the helical curve from here, which will keep as a path, and click OK. Now you can see that my schematic thread has been created over the whole of this part by using swept cut command. Okay, it looks great. Now we will create realistic knurling over the outer cylindrical surface of this part. So let us start the sketch over this face. At first, we will create a vertical construction line over the center part. Now we create two more lines between both sides of the center line. Select these three lines on here and fix the symmetric relation between them. Okay, fix the angular dimension between these two lines. It will keep 5 degrees. Now we will draw two triangles between these two lines like this. And set the dimension 0.03125 inches of this line. Now select this line and fix the parallel relation between them, as well as give the equal relation also. Okay, alright. In the same manner, we will give another parallel relation on here. Now my sketch is fully defined. Okay, finish the sketch. Now rotate the model in isometric view. Now we will activate the Helix Oblique Spiral command from here. And choose the height and revolution option on here. Set the height 0.625 inches and revolution value 0.125 inches. And click OK. Now see. Now we will twist this sketch profile over the cylindrical surface with the help of swept cut command in the following way. Now see the result. Now we will create a circular pattern of this swept cut feature like this. Set the pattern value 72 and click OK to create the feature. Okay, now see. Now we will activate the mirror tool. Choose the front plane. Okay. Now select the circular pattern 1 feature in the design window and click OK. It is looking very fine. Now we will create a custom chamfer over the both side edges of this part in the following way by using revolve cut command. and set the chamfer angle will keep 45 degrees. Now we create a mirror of this feature. Finally, my actual knurling has been successfully created over this cylindrical surface, so we will save and close the par file. Now we will create a new par file, okay? And now we will make the rivet of this model. So let us start the sketch over the top plane. We will draw a line on here and its length will keep 0.8125 inches. And fix the vertical relation over this line. Now we apply another dimension on here, it will keep 0.09375 inches. Now we will create some more lines on here, something like this. Now we draw an arc over the end point of the line and its radius will keep 0.2855 inches. Okay, that's it. Now we will draw another arc over the opposite side and its radius will keep 0.15545 inches. Okay, my sketch is complete, so we will finish the sketch. Now select this horizontal line and activate the revolved boss base command and click OK. Now see the result. Now change the color of this rivet. Save the par file. Now we will apply the fillets over the internal edges of the rivet. Okay, it is looking very fine. Now we will close the par file. And now we create another rabbit on here. Start the new sketch over the top plane. Now create a vertical line on here and fix the dimension to fix it. Now we create some more lines on here like this. And draw an arc between these two endpoints of the line. Okay, finish the sketch. Revolve the sketch profile like this. Now save the file with the name part 6 and close it. Now we will create a new par file. Okay, create a new sketch over the front plane. Now create a rectangle from the center point with the given dimensions. And extrude this sketch 0.5 inches from here. Now we will change the color of this part. And save the file with the name part 7. Now create the sketch over the back face of the model. take the project of this edge. Now draw a line and fix the angular dimension on here. It will keep 91 degrees. Now we draw some more lines on here. Okay, finish the sketch. Activate the extruded boss base command. Okay, and choose the up to surface option. Select this face and click OK. Now see. Now we will apply the fillets over these two edges like this. Now create a hole over this face. The hole diameter will keep 0.0625 inches. Okay, now my hole is created on here. Close the file. Now we create another strip on here. Okay, choose the front plane, sketch. Now create a rectangle from the center point and fix the height and width of this rectangle. It will keep 0.5 by 0.46875 inches. Okay, finish the sketch. Now we will extrude this sketch profile 0.03125 inches. Save the part with the name Part 8. Now activate the Extruded Boss Base command. Select this face to start the new sketch. draw a line like this and fix the angular dimension on here. It will keep 167.91 degrees. Okay, finish the sketch. Extrude this sketch up to this face. Okay, now see. Now create a hole over this face. Save the part file and close it. Finally, all the part files of pipe wrench model are finished here. Okay, so we will create a new assembly file in Solidworks. Click OK. Now you can see that the begin assembly command is already been activated here. Now we will open the visibility of assembly origin by activating the origins command from here. Click the browse button. Okay, now we will select the pipe wrench handle part that we had created first. Okay, alright. First of all, we will snap the assembly origin point and part origin point in this way to place the part in this assembly. In this way, you can see here my assembly is fully defined. Otherwise, this part will not be properly fitted in the center of the assembly. Okay, that's it. Save the assembly with the name pipe wrench. Okay, alright, it looks great. Now we will activate the insert components command from here. And place the part2 file in this assembly. Okay, alright. Now we will select the two holes of the part and fix the concentric mate between them. Now select the top plane of the part 1 and part 2 file and fix the coincident mate between them. Now we will select these two edges of the part and fix the angle mate 4.77 degrees on over it. Now we will check the interference between part 2 and part 1 file like this. And click calculate button on here. Now see the result. No interferences detected on here. Okay, that's it. Now we will place the rivet in this assembly. Now fix the rivet over this hole. Now we will place the part 3 file in this assembly. Rotate the model in this position by activating the rotate component command. Now we will apply the coincident mate between the front plane of part 3 and top plane of part 2. Now select the front face of these two parts and fix another coincident mate between them. Okay, that's it. Drag the part from here to check the result. Now we will fix the coincident mate between these two selected faces of the components. Okay. Insert the part 4 file in this assembly. Now rotate the model in this position. Activate the View Temporary Axis button from here. and fix the coincident mate between these two axes of the part. Now we will apply another coincident mate between origin point of part 4 file and plane 2 of part 2 file. Now we will apply an angle mate between the top plane of part 3 and front plane of part 4 file. Okay. Close the visibility of all the axes and points in the assembly environment. Now we insert the part 6 and part 7 files in this assembly. And fix these parts over the small hole of over the wrench handle in the following way. Okay, alright. Now we check the interference between these two components on here. Okay, now see the result. Now we fix the second strip over the opposite side of the model like this. Rotate the strip in this position. Now we will fix the concentric mate between the hole of handle and strip. Now select this face and this face and apply coincident mate between them. And apply another coincident mate between the right plane of part 8 and top plane of part 2 file. Now we fix the rivet over this hole. And finally, we check the interference between these two components on here. Okay, now see the result. Save the assembly. Finally, my pipe wrench assembly has been completed here in Solidworks. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you may like this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please share this video your friends and colleagues. Okay friends, goodbye.